Try something with me right now. Don't pause the video. Don't change anything. Just stay exactly where you are. And for the next few seconds, do nothing. No phone, no movement, no distraction. Just be here. Something already started, didn't it? A small restlessness, a subtle urge to do something, to move, to check something, to escape this moment. Why? Nothing is wrong right now. And yet, it doesn't feel comfortable. Now notice this carefully. The moment things become quiet, your mind gets louder. Thoughts start appearing out of nowhere. Something you forgot to do, something from the past, something that might happen later. And suddenly, this simple moment doesn't feel simple anymore. It feels heavy, almost like something is missing. So what do? We reach for something: music, phone, conversation, anything, just to avoid this. Think about your day. When was the last time you sat in complete silence without trying to fill it? No scrolling, no background noise, no distraction, just you and your own presence. It's rare, isn't it? Because the truth is, we don't avoid silence because it's empty. We avoid it because it's not. Silence is full of thoughts, full of emotions, full of things we haven't faced. And the moment everything becomes quiet, all of it comes closer. Silence has a strange way of revealing things. Things you pushed aside, conversations you never finished, feelings you never fully understood, questions you didn't want to ask. During the day, you don't notice them because there's always something happening, something to do, something to watch, something to think about. But in silence, there's nothing to hide behind. And that's when the mind starts speaking. Not softly, but clearly. And sometimes, what it shows you is not comfortable. There's something subtle happening here. The mind is built to stay active, to think, to predict, to solve. It feels safe when it's busy, because when it's busy, it feels in control. But silence is the opposite of control. There's nothing to solve, nothing to fix, nothing to chase, just this moment. And for a mind that is used to constant movement, that stillness feels unfamiliar. But look closely. Is silence really the problem? Or is it simply showing you what's already there? Because silence doesn't create discomfort. It reveals it, like a mirror. It doesn't add anything. It just reflects. If there's restlessness inside, you feel it. If there's confusion inside, you see it. Not because silence caused it, but because distraction is gone. So what happens if you don't run? Just for a few seconds, stay with it. Let the silence be there. Let the thoughts come. Let the discomfort rise. And instead of escaping it, observe it. You might notice something surprising. It doesn't stay the same. It moves, it changes, and slowly, it begins to lose its intensity. Not because you fixed it, but because you stopped feeding it. And beyond that discomfort, there's something else, something very subtle, but very real. A quietness, not forced, not created, just there, always. But you only notice it when you stop running. So maybe silence is not uncomfortable. Maybe it's just unfamiliar. And maybe the real question is, why are we so afraid to be alone with ourselves?